Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or image as a watch face. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can open the Haylou Phone application on our phone. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the My Smart Device option right here. Select the Haylou GTS or GST rather, my bad. On this page, find the option called Dial Setting and tap on it. Then tap on Custom Dial. And here we can create the watch face with the custom image. First, we can tap on background settings, select the picture. Now we need to allow some permissions like the camera permission and the media and photos permission. And after you allow the permissions, you should see two options, take picture and photo album. If you want to use the picture, for example, you want to take a picture with your camera and use it as a watch face, select the option called take a picture. And if you want to select the image from your phone, tap on photo album. I'm gonna select photo album. As you can see, we opened the list of images on our phone. Now I'm gonna find some image I can use as a watch face, for example, this one, and tap on it to select it. And here we can crop the image. Basically, we can move this frame around. And whatever is gonna be in that frame, the highlighted frame, is gonna be on a watch face. Oh, my bad. Let's go back. Select the picture, photo album, scroll down, select the image, crop it, basically move this frame. You can also sometimes make it smaller or bigger by grabbing it from the corner. On this picture I can do it, but on some different ones maybe you should be able to. And once you're done cropping the image, tap on crop. Here we have a preview of our watch face. We can also change the color of the font on our watch face. As you can see, we can tap on different colors. We can swipe left. There's quite a few of them. Find the color you like. For example, we can select something like purple. And once you're done, tap on Online Sync Plate to synchronize the watch with our phone and upload the watch face to our watch. And after a couple of seconds, the watch face should be applied on our watch, as you can see. And that's how you set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.